My name is Robert Patrick Myler, and I am applying for the laptop build-out and imaging technician position in Mesa, Arizona. As far as skill goes, I'm still not an especially talented individual, but I have learned a lot so far working at ER2 with the different processes and with the different computers, laptops, and desktops that I've worked with, or even the Chromebooks. So I feel like I've learned a lot and that I am equipped to some degree for this position. And as far as attitude goes, I am super excited. I'm ready to go and I'm ready to learn. I'm throwing myself into any process to not only learn it, but find ways that I can make it better. Oftentimes, people before me have really already done that, but I'm doing my best and I'm super excited and enthusiastic. As far as my legacy goes, my answer isn't too much different than what it was last time. I really want to have the greatest impact on those around me. I don't think I can change the world, but I can change those around me. But with everything going on in the world, I've really taken a moment to look at myself and everything around me, and I really think that I want part of my legacy to be just to be kind and good to others, because I feel like we're really lacking that nowadays. I'm sorry if this one isn't as nice as the last video that I did for you guys. I tried to lean it up a bit, and I really just took a few quick videos of myself here with my camera and just threw it back into the old template. So I hope that's lean enough for you guys, and I'm really excited to talk about this opportunity with you.